Yo, what's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna show you how to build the ultimate dark, edgy aesthetic wardrobe. This look is all about that mysterious, confident vibe. You know, the kind of guy who's just comfortable being himself, but still manages to look super appealing, am I right? So, if you're the introverted type or just want to give off those low-key, intimidating confidence vibes, then this fashion aesthetic is definitely for you. The key pieces you gotta have are a killer leather jacket, a fresh varsity jacket, and some clean black and white button-downs. Throw those together the right way and you're golden. Now, the trick is making sure you rock this look in a way that really reflects your personal style, you feel me? You don't want to just look like you're trying too hard. It's all about finding that perfect balance of mysterious and self-assured. Play around with the fit, the layering, the little details. That's how you make this aesthetic work for you. At the end of the day, the dark, edgy look is all about owning your introverted side and letting that quiet confidence shine through. If that's the vibe you're going for, then follow these tips and you'll be turning heads in no time, my dudes. All right, that's it from me. Let me know if you got any other questions.